Looking to quickly isolate objects in Photoshop so you can edit or move them without fuss? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to mask out objects fast in Photoshop using smart tools and workflows that anyone can grasp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create clean object masks you can use for everything from speedy cutouts to professional composites. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is make an initial selection of the object you want to mask. Photoshop has some powerful selection tools, and understanding how to use them is key for masking efficiently. One method is with the Object Selection tool. Head over to your toolbar and click the icon. It looks like a rectangle with a dotted border. Now, simply draw a box around the object you want to mask. Photoshop will use its artificial intelligence to automatically detect and select the object inside your rectangle. It's surprisingly accurate and works on everything from people to furniture, basically anything that stands out from the background. If you're dealing with a photo that has one clear subject, another quick way is to go up to the Select menu and choose Subject. Just one click, and Photoshop will scan your image, finding what it thinks is the main subject. No manual tracing required. Sometimes, you might want to use both these methods for tricky images or combine their results. Just keep in mind that these are just starting points. You'll still want to refine things in the next step. Once you've got your initial selection, it's time to polish it so your mask looks natural and precise. Take a breath here. This part may take a few moments, but it's crucial for a professional result. Find Select and Mask in the Options bar at the top of your screen. Clicking this transports you to a dedicated workspace that's all about perfecting your selection. On the left side, you'll see a little toolbox. The brush tool there lets you manually add to or subtract from the selection. Gently brush over areas you want to include, maybe the tip of a shoe or the edge of a sleeve. And if you notice Photoshop has grabbed too much, simply hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while you paint, and you'll remove those bits. For areas with fine or wispy edges, think hair, fur, tree branches, the Refine Edge brush tool is your best friend. Just paint along tricky borders and notice how Photoshop magically improves the selection. Don't worry if the preview looks a bit rough while you're working. The final mask will use all these tweaks. Now, for the last step, outputting the mask so it's actually useful in your workflow. Down in the Output Settings section of the Select and Mask workspace, you'll see several options. The most common is Layer Mask. When you choose this, Photoshop creates a mask thumbnail directly on your layer, hiding everything outside your selection without actually deleting it. This not only gives you flexibility for future edits, but it's also the non-destructive way pros work. You can always tweak the mask later if you spot something you missed. If you ever want to bring back or hide more of the image, just click on the mask and keep refining. And that's it. In just a few swift steps, you've learned how to mask out objects fast in Photoshop. Whether you're prepping for a creative edit, a composite, or just cleaning up your photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are masking challenges you often run into. I'd love to help. Subscribe for more practical Photoshop lessons, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.